Hello friends, so welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today my topic is how to do irregular plotting. So basically these things happened to me today. I went for site visits and have a client meeting, and even we have finalized one of the sites to have a commercial project. So we went with our office staffs to the site and took measurements of all that. Then I gave it to my juniors to plot in Autocad and gave it to me and show it to the architecture person. So basically, what happened? I gave it to him and he was struggling to draw, as per the site measurements how we taken. So it was simply drawing, in a simple way. So simple things is very common, but the thing is, if you do not know the proper way to do it, AutoCAD, then it becomes difficult and we cannot have an actual measurement like we have drawn for the actual measurements to be. We can't show it on a AutoCAD. So I thought I should make videos over this, and I am here to show you how to draw a regular plot in AutoCAD using circle command. So basically, we have to do a circle, use a circle command, so we can use it. So I have this one sides, and actually I have here we are supposed to making a plan. So this is our actual side. We have this side over there. So it's a small plot side. So I have to draw this one. So let's learn something new here. So I have prepared 2-3 tabs, and we had all previous site measurements. So I thought I should make one, and let's have a chit chat and have a. Now you might be knowing, or some of you might not be knowing. So let's understand how to do that. Suppose you have this side like 29 feet, 47 feet, 54 feet diagonal, 27 feet 6 inch, and 46 feet this side. So you go to the side, there is nothing have to afraid of. So you go to the side, you take all 4 sides, and if possible take one diagonal side. If you do not take diagonal side, then it's okay, you can do. The thing is, you can have 4 sides and one diagonal to be better. So first of all, consider this is 29. So consider one point, like one line as a base. So go to the line command, draw one line, 29 feet. That's it. This is your baseline. Then choose the circle command. First, this side you have 47 feet. This side, one side is 47 feet. So change it to the time point. Then click on the end and draw a circle of diameter 47 feet. So you got the one circle. Then you have a diagonal 54 feet, right? One diagonal. So again go to the circle, make a circle of diameter 54 feet, right? Then click line command and just see properly. You have one intersection point where 2 circles are meeting, right? Exactly. So draw one line, one line, this is. So from intersection point, draw your both line to your baseline, the end of the baseline. Then delete this circle. So you got this point. Now next point is this line, upper line, 27 feet 6 inch. We have 27 feet 6 inch. So draw a circle, 27 feet 6 inch. Okay. Again take circle, and see from here 46 feet this side. So make a circle of diameter 46 feet, right? And we are see these two circles are meeting at this point here, right? This point to this circle. Click, delete this. So now check the dimension where we have to correctly. Land text dimension because we have irregular, so to 7 feet. To 7 feet 6 inches. We have 27 feet 6 inches, 47 feet. Then this side 56 feet. Then this side so this is how we use circle command to make a plot size in Autocad, because we don't know the exact angle of this one. If we know the angle, then we can make it on the angle basis also we can, because on the side when you take a measurements, we do not take the angle, we do not measure the angle, right? We just simply use a measurement tape to have to collect the data to have a measurement of four sides, and if possible to take a diagonal. That's it. So you can do it using the circle, right? So let's see one else. If we have a side in a similar, like we have in a triangle shape, so we don't have even our diagonal or four sides, we have in a triangle shape. So how we do that? Let's see. So suppose we have 36 feet, 38 feet, and 30 feet, right? So just consider always consider one reference line or baseline. So draw one. Right? Okay. 36 feet. Circle. Feet. That's it. And we use this method. It's very easy and it's interesting to do that. If you don't know the angle, now you can have it. So if we have taken any measurement on ground and you don't know how to do that, so please message me and I will help you to do that. If you have any irregular plot size and you don't know, you are confused to do that, so you can use this method. Six. 56 feet. 58 feet. Bottom also. So irrespective of any measurements and any irregular size, you can do it using the circle method. You can use the circle command. So I hope you liked this videos and you found it useful. So if you have any irregular plot size and you are confused to do that, so please message me. I will help you and I'll make a video on that topic. And also I would like to add you one, you know, most important things. So one part of dimension, like, so if you want to, increase the length of this size, or sometimes what happens, we draw and it is very close to this one, so you can increase the length of this legs dimension. So how will do that? So we go to the dimension style, modify, and in lines just check it, fixed length extension line. So how much you want to length, so it can 3 by 4 or 1 inch. See, let it change this. Lift this one. So this length has been increased. So you can use this dimension also to increase or decrease the length. So I hope this video was informative and you learned something. If you have learned, then please do like, share, and subscribe my channels. And I'll be sharing with you, if any interesting topic comes in my mind. Otherwise, I'll be having a regular video. So I'm right now busy with one of my, projects which I just showed you in one clips. So I'll be doing all the estimation and costing, and I'll be sharing with you. So thanks for watching my videos, and please do share, like, share, and subscribe my videos. Thank you very much.